Hello, this is Savox Andy. This week, we will talk about the rubber servo. So we have a DC rubber servo, coiled rubber servo, and the monster torque rubber servo. We will start with the DC rubber servo. Okay, this is Servo's DC rubber servo. So this one is a two-side design. So you have a two shaft in here, and then this side we have a lighting design. So when you have a different function, they have a different lighting in here. And also this one we use a RS-485 to control the servo. It's not only the PWM, you also use for the robots. And you can see the case, we also doing the mini servo mount. So you can mount with different servo and connect for the robot. So this one, the spec, you can use in 12 volt and the torque will be 25 kilogram. The speed is 0.14 second. And we're doing this one more for OEM project. If you are interested, please contact with Savox. Thank you.
What's the difference between a normal servo and a robot servo?
The difference between the rubber servo and normal servo, one thing is 12 volt. Most of the rubber servo you can use on the 3X, and the normal servo normally is only 2X on the voltage. Another difference is that for the normal servo you have a standard size already fixed, but for the rubber servo you can change in different sizes, and also the signal difference.
So what is the signal type for a robot servo?
For the robot servo right now, the Savox we're doing RS-485, TTL and PWM signal.
Why does Savox use the quick release design?
For the quick release design for the rubber servo, we will say in this way. For the human type of a rubber, and from your leg and from your arm, the different distance between the control board to your servo. So you need a different length of cable to fit the robot. That's why we design in the quick release, so you can change different lengths of a wire. Thank you.